Dr. Sasmit Patra, 6 minutes.
Thank you, Honorable Vice Chairman, sir. I thank you for allowing me to participate on this very important bill, which has great bearing on my mineral-rich state of Odisha. At the outset, I thank my leader and Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, for his strong and dynamic leadership in taking several innovative and radical measures to streamline and bring in more transparency in the mining sector. Sir, I take this opportunity to thank the Honorable Prime Minister ji for allotting 2 mines for Odisha. I also thank the Honorable Union Minister of Mines, Shri Prahlad Joshi ji, for incorporating most of the recommendations sent by our Odisha government. His efforts in reforming the mining sector through this bill is very praiseworthy, and I congratulate him for that. My senior colleague and our parliamentary party leader in Lok Sabha, Shri Pinaki Mishra ji, has already placed on record in the Lok Sabha a couple of days back the views of my party in a very descriptive and holistic manner. Since I have very few minutes left, I will try to be very brief. Under the leadership of Honorable CM Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, Odisha has undertaken path-breaking innovations and reforms in the mining sector. The enactment of OMPTS Rules 2007 to check illegal activities in mineral sector, development and operationalization of I3MS software platform to digitize the entire gamut of transactions of the mineral sector, the introduction of vehicle traffic tracking system to track all ore-carrying vehicles are just a few of the interventions that has made Odisha proud. Odisha is among the few states, sir, to have successfully conducted auction of mineral blocks and ensured commencement of production. The 5T mantra of our Honorable Chief Minister, Shri Naveen Patnaik ji, has become the backbone of the entire effort to streamline the production and dispatch. Use of augmented reality technology for sampling grid, drone imagery for stacking evidence, modern tools and machineries for sampling will ensure faster sampling, analysis, transparency, while safeguarding government revenues. The present set of reforms proposed by Ministry of Mines are aimed at enabling the sector realize its true potential. The prospecting regime and exploration of mineral resources has been one of the major roadblocks facing this sector. The proposal to delete Section 10A-2B and Section 10A-2C is a right step in the right direction, and our state government completely agrees with this proposal. Similarly, the proposal to allow private entities to be engaged in the exploration work is a very welcome step, sir. Sir, there is no denying of the fact that some of the amendments proposed in the bill have been long overdue. The substituting of the words composite license against the words prospecting license cum mining lease wherever they occur, except in Clause A of Section 31, is a very welcome step. Similarly, redefining composite license to mean prospecting license cum mining lease, which is a 2-stage concession granted for the purpose of undertaking prospecting operations, followed by mining operations in a seamless manner, is likely to foster bringing in more number of mineral blocks to the auction fold. The proposal to substitute the words production and dispatch in place of mining operations in subsection 4 of Section 4A of the Principal Act will make the meaning of default very clear. Sir, there are 2 concerns which I would like to share with the Honorable Minister, and I hope he'll clarify in his reply. Firstly, sir, the provision in which, in cases where such auction or re-auction process is not completed by states within a given time, the central government may conduct auction for grant of mining lease for such area after the expiry of the period so specified. Another proposal is to provide the power to central government to conduct auction in cases where the state government faces challenges in conduct of auction or fail to conduct auction. Sir, on this issue, we have the concerned and considered opinion that inclusions of these provisions give unbridled powers to the central government. It is therefore necessary that such powers are exercised judiciously only in exceptional conditions and after due consultation with the concerned state government. Honorable Minister may please clarify. Another provision, sir, is regarding the proposed insertion of a provision to Section 98, subsection 3, which stipulates, provided that the central government may give directions regarding composition and utilization of fund by the District Mineral Foundation. Sir, our state government has been in consultation and has had disagreement on this issue. Both central and state governments work for the welfare of our people. We are both partners in this process. Therefore, trust must be there between both, and I see no reason why a state government cannot take up a project which is beneficial for the people and is accordance with the rules framed for the DMF. I request the Honourable Minister to kindly clarify. Before closing, sir, I have one humble submission to make. Presently, the MLAs and Lok Sabha MPs of the DMF districts have a say in planning DMF. It is necessary to have the Rajya Sabha MPs in the nodal districts to be a member of the DMF district committee so that convergence of resources and ideas can take place. This provision should also be made in the bill itself. In closing, sir, I wish I had more time to express more details, but since my time is just over, I've got another minute. In closing, I congratulate the Honourable Minister, Shri Prahlad Joshi ji, for his efforts with the bill. I'm sure that the concerns of states like Odisha will be taken care of by this bill. With these words, we support the amendment bill. Thank you.
Thank you. Sasmit.